In today's fast-paced business environment, mobility is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Business owners, managers, and even employees need to access critical information and perform essential tasks from anywhere, at any time. When it comes to accounting and payroll software like Patriot software, a common question that arises is, does Patriot software have a dedicated mobile app? As a project management expert with a deep understanding of business operations and the tools that support them, I can clarify this for you. Yes, Patriot software does have a mobile app, specifically called My Patriot. However, it's important to understand who this app is primarily for and what functionalities it offers, as it's designed to complement their main web-based platform, not entirely replace it for administrative tasks. Understanding Patriot software's approach to mobility. Before diving into the app itself, it's worth noting Patriot software's broader strategy for mobile accessibility. For a long time, Patriot emphasized its responsive web design. This means their main online payroll and accounting software is built to adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes, whether you're using a desktop computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. The idea was that you could access the full functionality of their web platform directly through your device's browser, without needing a separate app. While their responsive web design is still a significant feature that allows business owners and administrators to manage payroll and accounting from any device, the introduction of the My Patriot app indicates a strategic move to cater to the specific needs of employees and time tracking. The My Patriot app, designed for employees. The My Patriot app is specifically designed for employees whose employers use Patriot software's payroll and time and attendance solutions. It's available for download on both the Apple App Store for iOS devices and the Google Play Store for Android devices. This app serves as a convenient portal for employees to access and manage their payroll and time-related information directly from their smartphones. This significantly enhances employee self-service and reduces administrative burden on payroll managers and HR departments. Key features of the My Patriot app for employees. Here's what employees can typically do using the My Patriot app. View pay summaries/pay stubs. This is a crucial feature. Employees can easily access their current and past pay stubs, seeing detailed breakdowns of their gross pay, deductions, taxes, and net pay. This eliminates the need for paper pay stubs or requesting them from HR. Time tracking and time cards. For hourly employees, this is a game changer. The app allows employees to punch in and out, directly record their start and end times for work shifts, track hours manually, enter their hours worked if direct punching isn't used or feasible. Duplicate time cards. For salaried employees or those with consistent schedules, this can save time on repetitive entries. Leave notes on time cards. Provide context or explanations for their hours to their managers. View open and submitted time cards. Keep track of their recorded hours and ensure accuracy before payroll processing. Manage personal information. Employees can view and, in some cases, update their personal details such as address, contact information, and emergency contacts. This empowers them to keep their information current. View time-off balances. Employees can check their available vacation, sick leave, or other paid time-off balances at a glance, helping them plan their time off effectively. Access end-of-year tax forms, e.g., W-2s at tax time. Employees can securely access and download their W-2 forms or equivalent tax documents, simplifying tax preparation. Direct deposit information, coming soon/limited availability. While some features might be coming soon, the aim is to allow employees to view and potentially manage their direct deposit information directly through the app. Push notifications. Employees can set preferences for receiving push notifications about important payroll events or time tracking reminders. Biometric login. For added convenience and security, the app supports biometric authentication, Face ID, fingerprint, on compatible devices, making login quick and secure. Benefits of the My Patriot app. The existence of this app brings several benefits to businesses using Patriot software. Increased employee self-service. Employees can access their information independently, reducing inquiries to HR or payroll administrators. Improved time tracking accuracy. Mobile time tracking makes it easier for employees to clock and slash out accurately, especially for those working remotely or across multiple locations. Enhanced employee experience. Providing convenient mobile access to crucial payroll and time-off information can boost employee satisfaction. Streamlined payroll processes. With employees managing their own time cards and accessing their information, the overall payroll process becomes smoother and less prone to manual errors. Greater transparency. Employees have clear visibility into their earnings, deductions, and time off, fostering trust and reducing misunderstandings. What the app is not for, primarily. It's important to reiterate that the My Patriot app is predominantly an employee-facing tool. As of my last update, it is not designed for full payroll processing by employers. Business owners or payroll administrators would typically use the full web-based Patriot software platform to run payroll, manage tax filings, and perform other comprehensive accounting tasks. Comprehensive accounting management. The app doesn't provide access to the full accounting ledger, financial reports, invoicing, or expense tracking features of Patriot's accounting software. These functions are still managed through the web interface.